In this video, I will show you the brain shock classification and brain disease detection using machine learning. So this is the about us section, and this will be the contact us section. You can select for the classification detection part. Now we have selected the classification. So user have to enter the gender, age, hypertension, heart disease, you were married, work type, residence type, average glucose level. Okay, we have to enter all those details and then click on the submit button. Okay, so machine learning model will predict according to the user inputs. This model trained on the large dataset of images and dataset. The model predict that the patient has not had a stroke. Let's click on the detection part. Okay, we have to select any image. Let's select this image and click on next button. So it will predict the disease. Now let's select any other image from dataset. I have selected that particular image and then click on the submit button. So it predict the disease. Okay, this is the complete project. If you have doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.